What's up, ladies? Welcome back to my channel. It's your girl Hypnotic Lady, and I am back. Today I will be working with the company YOLISSA hair. Here I'm just showing you all the goodies they sent me in my package. I did get a headscarf, elastic band, and then a tips and tricks how to care brochure and a headscarf. They did also send me this silk drawstring bag so you can put your wig up after you're done, and of course the plastic bag that it came in with all the information. This is the wig. This is their 30-inch body wave 13x6 HD lace wig in 200 density. It was super thick, y'all, and this video we're going to do a coloring tutorial. I am going to do the infamous skunk stripe. I've been seeing everybody do this on Instagram, so I had to try it myself. Here I'm just showing you guys the parting space I took out for it, and then we're going to get right into the bleaching. I use BW2 40 and then 50 volume, and I'm just going to make that like a semi-thick consistency, and then I'm going to part the hair in two sections. Put the bleach on the hair, make sure the hair is saturated with the bleach, and then let it sit for about 10 to 15 minutes, and then yeah. Okay, jumping right into the install process. This is what the hair is looking like after I have shampooed and conditioned. I did also go ahead and pluck the hair off camera. I am going to be uploading a detailed plucking video, a separate video from this. But yeah, now I'm just going to take my eyebrow razor and cut off the excess lace on both sides. Once you get that cut off, you are going to adjust your lace, make sure you like everything, the position of it, any excess lace, cut it off. And then we're going to get ready to do a glueless install this time, ladies. No glue. So this is what our lace is looking like once we've cut everything off. You want to position everything, make sure you like the position of it before we get ready to adhere down. I am going to be using the Got To Be Glued and my handy dandy blow dryer. I did not show it on camera, but you want to go ahead and clean the perimeter of your forehead with some alcohol or some type of skin solution, skin protectant. Clean it, and then apply your hairspray or your blow dryer, or whichever one you're doing, a hairspray or glue. I'm going to do about 2 or 3 layers of this Got To Be Glued hairspray, and like you guys see, I'm using my blow dryer. I am using on a low heat, and then when it gets a little too hot for me, I just press my cool button to cool it down. But yeah, I'm going to do this starting in the middle and then work my way on both sides until I get it laid down. Once you feel like it's tacky enough, you want to gently press it in. I didn't want to press too much in because I feel like with the Got To Be, it can get really messy and get gunky into the lace. So As you guys see, I'm just lightly pressing down, and then I'm working my way to the left side, and then I will do the right side like so. If you get any excess spray like there was on my extra, like on my face by my eyebrow, just get a cotton ball with some alcohol and just wipe that excess off when you're done. It shouldn't turn white or anything like that unless, I don't know, you have an allergic reaction or something to it, or your skin's dry. I don't know. But I just take a cotton swab with some alcohol and just wipe off the excess spray where I didn't need it to be after I'm done putting the lace down with the blow dryer. Next, I'm going to take my Duo foundation powder in a lighter shade and just put a little bit on my hairline. Now I'm just taking my cotton ball with my alcohol swab and just cleaning off the excess spray that I told you guys about earlier. Once I do that, I am going to take my pressing oil. This is just some coconut or castor oil pressing oil that I got from the local beauty supply store. And I'm going to take my hot comb and press out my hairline. Make sure everything's nice and flat. And then we're going to get ready to pull out our part and our baby hairs and get ready to style this thing, y'all. I'm in love with this look. I think it looks so good. And this lace, to me, is just blending so well. It looks so melted. Again, y'all, this is YOLISSA hair. This is their HD lace, and this is their 13x6 parting space. Here, y'all see all that parting space, and y'all look how good the knots bleached. Like, y'all can't tell me that's not giving me scalp. Here, I just wanted to zoom in and show you guys this how I go in and like get my part to look, I don't know, as realistic as I want it to. I just go in and pluck a little bit in the hairline. But y'all, look at the knots, like lace wear. It looks so good. But now I'm going to take some more pressing oil after I get through plucking out these hairs and my hot comb and press out the top of my hair. And then, like I said, we're going to get ready to pull out our baby hairs and tie those down and then get ready to style. To lay down my edges, I'm going to use my Nairobi setting foam, and I'm just going to take a little bit and put it on top of the baby hairs and lay them flat, and it kind of just like lays them down nice and well, like how you want them to be laid down, melting up under the elastic band. And as you guys can see, I just pulled out two baby hairs on the sides by the temple, and then two sideburns. One half, of course, is going to be blonde because I have the skunk stripe, and then the other half is going to be black. But it looks so cute. And as you guys can see, the Nairobi setting foam literally just lays the hair down flat. So when you get ready to wrap it down, it looks really molded and laid down. And I just let that sit for the whole time that I'm curling my hair. And then once I'm done, I take that off and then do my baby hairs. Now I am going to take some scissors and just go in and do like a choppy layered cut. And my camera ended up dying the first time I styled this, and it was like late at night. So I got up the next morning and recorded me redoing my baby hairs and restyling my hair, and you guys will get to see that in the next clip. But here you guys see this is the night of. I'm cutting the layers, getting ready to start and style my hair, and then my camera died. But I'm going to come back the next morning and we're going to get right back into it. Okay, ladies, this is the next morning. Here I'm showing you guys what it looks like. I just went to sleep with my bonnet on. Baby hair's moved a little bit, but not much at all. So you guys get a reference for how they'll maintain, I guess, overnight. I'm going in with my Kaposi mini straightener and just curling my baby hairs up before I lay them down. Taking my Nairobi setting foam and my eyebrow spoolie, and I'm just going to re-swoop my hairs back into the position they were in before, making them all nice and neat. And yeah, it's really quick and easy, and I hope this is very helpful, because I know people's hardest thing to do is baby hairs, and that's mine also sometimes. So yeah, I'm just repeating the same process I did yesterday that, like I said, my camera footage died. So I'm just going back in the next morning, the day after. I'm tripping. Day after, and just redoing my baby hairs, relaying them. And then I'm going to get back into styling my hair before I leave out for the day. Going in with my Babyliss Pro Titanium Straightener, I'm going to curl my hair. As you guys can see, I am just curling away from my face, and I started at the bottom and I'm going to work my way up to the top. I did speed through this process because, girl, this was a lot of hair. 200 density, baby. That's a lot of hair. But you guys get the gist of the curling your hair, curl away from your hair, curl away from your face, and curl in small to medium sections. And I started in the bottom and worked my way up to the top. As you guys can see, this is what they're looking like. I'm going to show you guys the finished look, and then I think in the next scene. And then we are going to do the comb out, and that will be the finished look. Y'all get into it. Alright ladies, so this is the finished look, and I'm just going to do my quick comb out and show you guys how the curls fall. Again, this is YOLISSA hair. This is their 30-inch body wave. It is an HD 13x6 lace front wig, and I did go in and cut some layers, and then I did trim the edges a little bit, but not by much. I think I cut it to like maybe a 28-inch, but it did come in 30 inches. Y'all, I am in love with this hair. The knots bleached well. The hair took well to the bleach doing the skunk stripe. I only did one color, and it got pretty bright enough for me, bright enough for my preference. Like I said, no tangling, no shedding. Again, this is YOLISSA hair. Get into it. If you guys like this install, please give it a thumbs up. Tell me what you guys think in the comment section. If you guys want to see more videos like this, let me know below. Y'all, this hair is just giving me life. It's super full, holds a curl. These curls last me for a couple of hours. They didn't fall till like later on in the day. I had went to a Labor Day barbecue and everything, but y'all, get into the hair, YOLISSA hair. Y'all go buy this hair right here. Tell me what you guys think. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. I'll see you guys in my next video. Again, my name is Hypnotic Lady. Bye.